Welcome back, everyone. This is the final video for the 41 Willys Moonshine Bandits build. I thought I'd take a few shots of it in the barn. I don't really like saying they're done. This is the final, because sometimes I go back and add things to them. I might end up wiring this one, I don't know. I saw one with a nice side mirror on it. I might look for one of those. I'd like to take a second to thank all my subscribers for watching and commenting and giving a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. After this, I'm going to be working on the 71 Plymouth Duster 340. It's a car my dad used to own when I was a kid. I always loved that car. Anyway, I was working on it last year for a couple months and put it away. I don't know what happened. Anyway, I'm getting it back out. I'm gonna finish that. So that'll be coming up next. Yeah, I gotta say, this kit went together so well. I definitely recommend it. It's a very nice kit to make. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. I'll see you on the next one. The 71 Plymouth Duster 340.